Let me show you how you can create AI images using your face. A lot of you have been asking me this question since I started talking about AI images. And today I'm going to show you how you can do that for free without paying any money at all. I use this simple secret method to create these beautiful, stunning AI images without having to pay any money. And if you watch this video to the end, I will share the trick with you. It's a paid app we're using, but then there's a simple trick you can use to avoid making payments and not get into any trouble at all. So the first thing we need to do is to get the app from the Google Play Store or from your App Store. And the name of the app is on the screen. I would also write it out somewhere towards the end of this video so you can see it clearly. So once you get the app, once you open the app, you're going to click on Get Started. And they're going to ask you why you are here. You can pick any of the options. It does not really matter. You can say business headshots and just click on continue. And the next thing you need to do is accept terms and conditions. And you're in. So here you can see that this is a paid app. Weekly, you have to pay 4,900 naira. But here's the trick. You're going to click on not sure yet. And then you're going to click on enable free trial and click on continue. So you'll be required to put in your card details so that you can actually continue with this. Make sure you're following this video step by step. Don't miss out on any part of it. Now, if you've paid for any app or two using Google Play Store before, your card details will already be saved. Otherwise, you'd have to impute your card details. Now, don't be afraid. They're going to debit you 51 naira, but they will credit you back that 51 naira. They just want to check if there's money in the card. Afterwards, you see that you've been subscribed and you can now get access to the app. They're going to ask for your gender. You can also allow it to access photos because that's how you're going to impute your photo. You put in your gender, and this is what the app looks like. You can edit your pictures on this app. You can also create brand new pictures, right? So you can scroll through and see the different applications or the different things that are here. The first thing we're going to try out is this revamp reality. So you can edit your pictures to make them look older, younger, cartoonish. You see all those cartoons images. This is the app that they use for it. So I can select one of my pictures and I'm going to ask them to revamp it and make it look like a cartoon image. But that's not the main reason why we're here, but I just want to show you that this is also available on this app. It's going to take a while for them to be done with this editing, and while we're waiting, this is a good time to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I teach you business, sales, marketing and advertising and different things that can help you make money online. So our edited photo is ready. You can see the difference between this side and the other side. So you can choose to save this by clicking on the arrow that's at the top right and it saves to your gallery. But now let's go to the main reason why we're here, generating images with AI. So you go back to the home page and click on generate my photos below there. Click on it. And now they're going to ask you to upload 8 selfies. That means upload 8 pictures of yourself that are clean, professional, showing your face very well. Don't upload a picture that is not clear. So I'm going to go to my gallery, look for pictures where my face is showing properly, my body is also showing. Don't upload somebody else's image except you're doing the AI image for the person. It's their permission, of course. So I'm going to pick 8 clean pictures of myself and feed to this AI tool so that it can help me generate images that I want. This is a very, very interesting process and you would love it. So once you're done, you're going to click on continue and they're going to upload the photos to their system. This will take quite some time. I had to fast forward this because of the length of the video. I didn't want this video to be too long, but it might take up to 5 minutes for them to upload all your pictures and generate the first set that you are going to see, and you're absolutely going to love them. If you're loving this video, make sure to like it so that we can continue. So the next thing is you're going to take a look. Once you want to save these videos, all you should do is to swipe right. See the way they're directing you to swipe the right. And once you swipe to the right, it saves automatically to your gallery. You don't need to do any serene. So I'm swiping and it's saving. Now look at these images. Are they not beautiful? Clean, nice. These are the casual shots. These are the first shots they gave me. Casual, simple, looking shots. Don't worry, I'll show you how you can get the professional, the other styles, even the bridal shot. There's so many styles that are available here. So I'm just going to be swiping, 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 and automatically you can see the notification below here, saved to gallery. So now we're going to start scrolling up now. Go back to the home page and scroll up. You're going to see different options. There's this old money, and anyone you like, all you have to do is click on get full pack. Get full pack. As far as you've uploaded your images before, you don't need to upload again. They are still going to use that same image you uploaded to give you what you asked for. So look at the full pack of the old money images that I asked for. Look at them. This is giving old money. It's giving Queen Elizabeth. It's giving beautiful royalty baby. So these are images. These are AI images that were made with my face looking good, and that's 12 of them saved to my gallery. For each pack or for each style, they give you 12 free images because we're still on our free trial. So I'll still select this other one, this corporate headshot that I really like, and it's going to take some time to upload my images and give me exactly what I want. Now, this is it. These are some beautiful corporate headshots. I love these ones so much. I love the hairstyles. I love the poses. I can even use this for pictures. This is my favorite. So beautiful. So these are some of the beautiful images that this app created. Now, the name of the app is Remini. Remini, Remini. And towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to make sure that they don't charge you and you can get to use this app for free. So make sure you watch till the end. So I can also scroll up and see different kinds of patterns. There's the aging one where you can make yourself look older. There's the casual one where you can wear jeans. There's the bridal one. There's the wife one. There's the baby. You can make your baby faces. You can also do the baby bump one where you show yourself looking pregnant if you're a lady. So these are some of the AI images that I was able to generate right here for this video. After this video, I'm still going to do lots more and enjoy this app to the fullest. I have one whole week to generate as many AI images as I want without paying a dime. Now let's go back and see how we can make sure that they do not charge us. Once you subscribe to this app, you're going to get an email. The email is from Google Play telling you, giving you a receipt for your subscription. Now, in this email, if you scroll and read the email carefully, you see that you will not charge anything, but you also see a place where you can manage your subscription. You can see that blue right up, manage your subscription. You click on it and you can see all the apps that you are subscribed to, and that's where you can cancel any subscription that you don't want. You can see me, I'm subscribed to Canva and a couple other apps. So I'm going to click on Remini, this app, and I'm going to click on cancel subscription. And then I'm going to pick any of these reasons here, maybe technical issues, or I didn't use the service, or cost related, it's too expensive. You can select cost related so you don't give the app a bad review, right? So you click on cost related and immediately your subscription is cancelled. But guess what? You can still use it for the rest of the week because your free trial is still on. Now, please, by all means, if you can afford to pay the 4,900 a week, pay for it. This is for people who genuinely cannot afford it. If you can afford it, please go ahead and pay. It is 100% worth it. You can make your money back from it. I know people who charge people to generate these AI images for them. But if you cannot afford it, then you can use this method to get 1 week free of generating different kinds of beautiful AI images like this. And if you'd like me to show you how I use these free AI photos to boost my brand visibility, sales, and profits, then comment free AI photos below and I'll do a separate video for that. Comment free AI photos below and I'll do a separate video for that. So thank you for watching and make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video very importantly. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.